welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orshi, aka Rocky, and today I'm going to talk about and explain to you how to sing high notes the easiest way as possible. So, let's do this. Alright, so high notes. First of all, you need to change your thinking. You have to think about all the notes like this, not like this. So there are no high notes, there are no low notes. All of them are the same. It's all about the mindset again. If you believe it's going to be difficult, it's going to be difficult. If you believe it's easy, it's going to be easy. That's it. It's very simple. So you have to think all the notes like this. So you have to think and sing outside the box. Most people still thinking with only chest voice and head voice. There are many more registers we can use. So one of the big mistakes that people try to force their chest voice up there. And of course that's difficult. Of course it's not even possible that you actually just try to push and force your chest voice in a height that there is no chest voice anymore. Because the chest register, at some point it's over. So you have to change register. But it's not only head voice. Let's talk about only like the modern singing, like modern music, like pop or rock, R&B. If you're talking about this and not classical, then you can go into mixed voice, you can do belts, you can go in falsetto. But if you're talking about like powerful high notes, then let's just stick to belting and mixed voice. So basically what you need to know, that you need to come out of your chest voice, you need to come out of your chest register. If you want to sing maybe pop or R&B, you need to go into mixed voice. That's perfect. That's a very good way to sing pop if you use your mixed voice. That's absolutely fine. But if you want, for example, some rock or metal, then you need to belt. At least that's my opinion. Mixed voice is perfect for pop and R&B, but if you want to sing rock or metal, then use your belting. Obviously, the healthy way. So that's the way basically to sing high notes. Then you need to come out of your chest register into mixed voice or belting. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn how to sing the way you desire, then please click on the link below and watch my free masterclass. Or if you're interested in taking lessons, then go to my website to book straight away. So either way, see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.